下晝3點鐘，香港電台最新一節嘅風暴消息：8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下晝3點，颱風泰利集結喺香港之西南大約290公里，即係北緯20.7度、東經112度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，大致移向雷州半島一帶。隨住泰利繼續遠離香港，本地風勢正係逐漸減弱。天文台會喺下晝4點20分改發3號強風信號，但係同泰利相關嘅烈風區仍然影響珠江口部分地區。香港西南部離岸海域初時仍然會吹烈風，高地可以達暴風程度。泰利嘅雨帶亦都會為香港帶嚟猛烈陣風，市民切勿鬆懈防風措施。海有大至非常大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘頭，昂坪、長洲同青洲分別錄到最高持續風速為每小時108、81同62公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時134、101同87公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同踏正嘅風暴消息。
3 o'clock in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast scalar storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 3 p.m., Typhoon Ta-Lim was centered about 290 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.7 degrees north, 112.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula. With Ta-Lim continuing to depart from Hong Kong, local winds are weakening gradually. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal, number 3, to replace the number 8 Galar storm signal at 4:20 p.m. However, the gales associated with Ta-Lim are still affecting some areas of the Pearl River estuary. Gale force winds will still affect the offshore waters to the southwestern part of Hong Kong at first, and up to storm force winds on high ground. The rain bands of Ta-Lim will also bring violent gusts to Hong Kong. Precautions should not yet be relaxed. Seas will be rough to very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded in Gongping, Zhengzhou and Green Island were 117, 87 and 68 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 140, 110 and 98 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節嘅風暴消息報導完畢。